channel by Bhanu channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7, our country, India. This is a chapter of class 6 subject SST Geography. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Friends, SST Geography all chapter series एग्जाम perspective से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी SST Geography ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी न्यू वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस को एंड तक जरूर देखें और बीच में स्किप कर ना जाएं। अगर आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, What do you know about the boundaries of India? Explain in brief. Answer of this question is, first, in the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas. Second, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south wash the shores of the Indian peninsula. Question number 2, describe the geographical extent of India. Answer of this question is, first, India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. Second, the north-south extent from Ladakh to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometer. Third, the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 kilometer. Fourth, the lofty mountains, the Great Indian Desert, the northern plains, the uneven plateau surface, and the coasts and islands present a diversity of landforms. Question number 3. Describe the locational extent of India. Answer of this question is, first, India is located in the northern hemisphere. Second, the Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 north passes almost halfway through the country. Third, from south to north, mainland of India extends between 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north latitudes. From west to east, India extends between 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east longitudes. Question number 4. Describe the effect of east-west extent of India on time. Answer of this question is, first, the west to east extent leads to the difference in local time from meridian to meridian. Second, the local time changes by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. Third, the sun rises 2 hours earlier in the east, that is Arunachal Pradesh, than in the west, that is Gujarat. Fourth, the local time of longitude of 82 degree 32 east has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. Fifth, this longitude is also known as the Standard Meridian of India. Its time is taken as the standard throughout the country. Question number 5. What is a delta? Name the world's largest delta. Where is it located? Answer of this question is: a delta is a triangular piece of land which is found at the mouth of a river. It is found when a river deposits sediments as it flows towards its mouth, a place where a drain into a lake, sea or ocean. A delta being formed at the mouth of the river. Question number 6. Difference between the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats. First, the Western Ghats are continuous chains of mountains and can be crossed through the passes only. Second, the height ranges from 900 to 1600 meters. Third, most of the peninsular rivers originate from Western Ghats. Fourth, the soil is highly fertile. Fifth, the onset of monsoon is felt by the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. First, the Eastern Ghats are not continuously and are cut by river falling into the Bay of Bengal. Second, their height is lower than the Western Ghats. Heights ranges from 600 to 900 meter. Third, no major river originates from Eastern Ghats. Fourth, the soil is not so fertile here. Fifth, the retreat of the monsoon is felt here in October and November. Question number 7. Describe the major physical division of India. Answer of this question is: India has diverse physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, and islands. First, the Himalayas. The Himalayas stand sentinels in the north. The Himalayas mountains are divided into 3 main parallel ranges. The northernmost is called the Great Himalaya or Himadri. The world's highest peak are located in this range. Middle Himalaya or Himachal lies to the south of Himadri. The Shivalik is the southernmost range. Second, the northern Indian plains. They lie to the south of the Himalaya. They are usually level or flat. These are fertile regions and are suitable for cultivation. Thick population is found here. Third, the Great Indian Desert. It lies to the western part of the country. It is a sandy stretch of land. Rainfall is very poor. Hence, very little vegetation is found here. Fourth, the Peninsular Plateau. It is a triangular in shape. It lies to the south of northern plains. Its relief is highly uneven. Numerous hill ranges and valleys are found here like Aravalli, Vindhyas and Satpura. The Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges and fall into the Arabian Sea. This plateau is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. Fifth, coastal plain. They lie to the west of the Western Ghats and east of the Eastern Ghats. The river Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, all east flowing rivers, fall into Bay of Bengal. They have formed fertile deltas at their mouth. Sixth, island. Two groups of islands are integral part of the country. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea, while Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in the Bay of Bengal. Question number 8. Describe the three main parallel ranges of the Himalayan mountains. Answer of this question is: first, the three parallel ranges of Himalayas are the Greater Himalayas or Himadri, Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, and Shivaliks. Second, the northernmost part of the Himalayas is named as the Greater Himalayas or Himadri, which is the highest among these three layers and contain the highest peaks including Mount Everest. The next Himalayan range is known as the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, containing the famous ranges of Dhola, Dholadhar, Fir Manjil and Mahabharat, as well as all the important hill stations like Kashmir, Kullu, Kangra Valley and Darjeeling. Fourth, the outermost range is called Shivaliks and its height is only 900 to 1000 meters, as it is mainly formed from the deposits of the Himalayan rivers flowing down from the greater heights. Question number 9. How are coral islands formed? Write a short note on the two groups of islands in India. Answer of this question is: first, corals are skeletons of very small marine animals called polyps. When the living polyps die, their skeleton are left. Other polyps grow on top of the hard skeleton, which grow higher and higher, thus forming the coral islands. Second, India has two groups of islands, the Lakshadweep Islands, and are located in the Arabian Sea, close the Malabar coast of Kerala. Third, these are the small group of coral islands. Kavarazzi Island is the administrative capital of the Lakshadweep. Fourth, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. Fifth, since these islands lie close to the equator, the climate remains hot and wet throughout the year and has dense forests. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. Friends, SST All Chapter Series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी SST All Chapter सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए आप हमें कमेंट कर बता सकते हैं, हम उस चैप्टर का वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।